Hey, this is take 2 of the cup song for my sister. So yeah, just listen, I guess. Or, yeah.
You're going to sing.
Oh yeah, and I'm going to sing, so.
And if she forgets it, she's a new one.
Is this on you? Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Do I start now?
Yes.
I got my ticket for the long way round.
Freaking A, I messed up.
Whiskey. Keep going.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, start over. I'm sorry.
No, we're not restarting.
Okay.
I got my ticket for the long way round. I bought a whiskey for the way, and sure would like some sweet company. Gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Alright.
Okay, I have something to say. That was really sucky. I'm sorry. That was my fault. She was giving me fine, but, you know, I mess up on everything. Even the Dakota step. Remember that, kids. Stay in school. Subscribe if you want to do good and right.